Yeah, you do complain.
Come on, break before.
It's already penis these days.
Oh, already? You get through.
Well.
By the wetsuit. Get through there and report.
Who comes here about a wetsuit? Bloody fools.
Hardcore people.
Real pussy, real.
Oh, that's enough.
That's tempting.
Oh, it's not too bad.
Oh, bag's going to make this a bit harder, isn't it? I mean, see if it works.
Shall I do that?
Yeah. I don't know much. It won't work. You got a wet penis.
Fucking hell, yeah, it shrank, mate.
That's where we would have come in. The battery station, isn't it?
Yeah, the crossroad, yeah. Right, I can, yeah, incredible, a lot of silk. Nice and refreshing.
How is it in a undersuit? How is it in a Primark onesie, should I say?
It's not bad.
Is it not? Right, this is Trip Hazard Central.
This is true, as it said.
Oi. Everything's moving. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Nothing's fixed. Everything just moves.
Timbers and a mess of timbers and rocks that have fallen. Yeah, you can
Fucking
see
ass
the,
compact.
yeah.
So you are only one ladder away from being able to get there.
So what's that, the 40 level?
The 40 level.
You're not confident on the bed, so.
I'm not. When that bail time puts me on edge.
Some more.
Bail time's not the one with the ground.
Not a big.
Yeah, it's the tent of the vein, isn't it?
It's the nature of the beast.
Balancing on that arch very nicely.
Line exploring.
Yeah.
Going under dodgy.
Yeah, you.
So you have to get used to it, don't you?
It's fucking usual to floor right.
Yeah, you kind of learn to trust it in a
Yeah.
way.
It's good when you don't have a stupid bag on your back that takes everything out with you.
Oh yeah, you see, so on the 40 level, right? So there's the ocean.
Yeah, I've never seen
It's
it.
quite impressive. Wow. To look at, isn't it? Wow.
Yes, that looks longer.
So this is where they tipped, obviously, the material down. But behind this is the manway you're going to see. But
Yeah.
beyond that, I don't know. But
I think there is some.
yeah, but this was the
No,
manway.
all the ladders are gone.
They follow the same format like in the old lead mines, where the ore chutes, obviously, they have one tipping. It was divided in three: two
Tipping
manways
shaft.
and one tipping shaft.
Yeah.
Sort of thing.
Yeah, just on a much bigger scale.
On a much bigger scale, obviously.
Oh, is that a drill?
Yeah, so
drill
it's
bit.
still got the head. So it's like the tungsten
This one up there,
head.
holding one in place.
Is that what they are? Tungsten?
Yeah, normally I think. I'm not sure because it's slightly older. So that should have then socketed onto a longer one.
And that's what we'll be whacking against this rock.
Yeah, like it'd probably be turning.
One of the classic cribbing shafts that you get. A lot of
What's the room?
So there you can see the cribbing there.
If I hurt you.
Yeah, quite classic to a lot of shafts.
Mm.
Yeah, folded with them.
Yeah, it's all just timbered out ones.
Yeah, it just protects from the precarious rock around.
Yeah.
I think it's a 4 ton. I think.
Big,
If
isn't
I,
it?
if I remember, tipping car.
Yeah, because it's bigger than the one on the upper levels, isn't
Still
it?
moves, not seized.
What was that? 4 tonne in weight or 4 tonne capacity?
It carries 4 tons, yeah, of material more or less.
Yeah.
Them ones at the 130 level look a different design.
Yeah, they're different altogether, yeah. They were the 5 ton.
They're new.
Yeah, that's my favourite one.
How to exit a mine majestically.
That's it, come the easy way at first.
Don't want to overshoot it, fly out.
That's it.
Thank you.
Yeah.